சென்னை மதுரவாயில் டாக்டர் எம்ஜிஆர் கல்வி மற்றும் ஆராய்ச்சி நிறுவனம் சார்பில் பசுமை பொருளாதார நிதித்துறையின் கட்டமைப்பு மாற்றம், நிலையான நிதி மற்றும் இந்தியாவின் பசுமை வளர்ச்சிக்கு ஊக்கமளித்தல் விக்சித் பாரத் அட் 2047 பதாமைன நாக்கு பார்வம என்ற தலைப்பில் 2 நாள் தேசிய கருத்தரங்கு நடைபெற்றது. இந்நிகழ்ச்சி இந்திய சமூக அறிவியல் ஆராய்ச்சி கவுன்சில் ICSSR தெற்கு பிராந்திய மையம் ஹைதராபாத் ஆதரவுடன் பல்கலைக்கழக கலை மற்றும் வணிகத் துறைகளால் சிறப்பாக நடைபெற்றது. இந்த தேசிய கருத்தரங்கை டாக்டர் எம்ஜிஆர் கல்வி மற்றும் ஆராய்ச்சி பல்கலைக்கழக தலைவர் ACS அருண்குமார் அவர்கள் குத்துவிளக்கேற்றி துவக்கி வைத்தார். இந்த சிறப்புமிக்க கருத்தரங்கில் சென்னை பல்கலைக்கழகத்தின் துணைவேந்தர், ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர் குழுவின் உறுப்பினர், பேராசிரியர் முனைவர் ஆம்ஸ்ட்ராங், இந்திய அரசின் துணை இயக்குனர் J. விஜயலட்சுமி, டெப்டி டைரக்டர், கவர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்தியா, மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அண்ட் பிராட்காஸ்டிங் பிரஸ் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் பியூரோ மற்றும் டர்பன் தொழில்நுட்ப பல்கலைக்கழகத்தின் DUT பொருளாதார பேராசிரியர் டாக்டர் ரவீந்தர் ரேனா ஆகியோர் பல்வேறு தலைப்புகளில் சிறப்புரையாற்றினார்கள். இந்த தேசிய கருத்தரங்கில் பல்கலைக்கழக துணைவேந்தர் முனைவர் கீதா லட்சுமி மற்றும் பல்கலைக்கழக பதிவாளர், கூடுதல் பதிவாளர், புலத் தலைவர்கள், கருத்தரங்கு ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்கள், துறை தலைவர்கள், பேராசிரியர்கள் மற்றும் ஆராய்ச்சி மாணவ மாணவிகள் பங்கேற்று சிறப்பித்தனர்.
Natural capital. So all of us need to protect natural capital. The reason is we are all obsessed with the economic capital. Professor Rana knows very well how South Africa is producing lot of economy related to nature. So we have to protect natural capital. So we have economic capital in India, as Madam pointed out, but we must promote social capital, Pierre Bourdieu. But now sustainable development goals promote natural capital. What do you mean by natural capital? We have to protect our natural resources, correct? We have to protect our ecosystem. So metro rail, okay? And you take Chennai, lot of climate change is there, and in mining is there in other parts of India and also in Uttarakhand. So we fail to protect the natural resources. So green economy promotes the preservation of natural capital. That is very important. India is known for agriculture, correct? So we fail to sustain the agricultural resources. I come from Tanjavur, the Delta area, where we very often fail. No rain during the season. Okay, the seasonal rain is not there. Climate change is there. The reason is man's desire for plundering the natural resources, correct? So there is a necessity to value natural capital. Next important thing is I like to call the marine biodiversity. So marine biodiversity is very important. We already spoiled the biodiversity, correct? Now the water should be taken care. We have 70% of water in this earth. This planet is called liquid planet, correct? But unfortunately, we fail to take care of water, correct? And how to protect water? Multinational companies exploit lot of coral reefs in the ocean. How many of you know Nagapattinam and also Chennai? People are giving artificial coral reef. Why? It's like huts and houses in this plain area. Coral reefs are very important for fish, tortoise, and varieties of whales, crabs, snails in the ocean. Once you take away the coral reefs, the biodiversity will be disturbed. No shelter for fish, no shelter for whale, then naturally there will be a natural calamity. Okay, so there is a necessity for all of us to protect the ecosystem, not only in the land, also in the ocean. I read a lot of books related to ocean biodiversity. Recently I read one important information regarding elephants. So what do you know about elephants? Can anyone tell me how elephants protect ecosystem? Any idea? Elephant is called landscape architect. Do you know why? Elephants eat the unwanted grass. Okay?
They poop, they discard, when they discard it, that discard fecal system might have something nutrient that might help the nature.
Very good, very good.
Growth of plants.
Very good. Once we cannot cut the very tall grass or bush, but elephants easily eat, okay? And then after that, many birds will come and then sit in the bush, correct? And similarly, elephants from Tamil Nadu, it used to go to Burma without any hindrance. Yes, sir. But now what happened? We created artificial railroads and tanks we built. So no space for elephants now to move from one place to other place. We very often say elephants entered villages and destroyed crops. But we only entered the shelter of elephants. We built the houses, we cultivated the lands belonged to the elephants. Similarly, elephants used to dig, pits in for taking water during summer. Only elephants only know where water is. And after digging up the hole, many birds will come, many animals also will come and take the water. So we don't know where the water is, but elephants know. But how many of you know the dung of elephant is a house for so many insects and so many seeds and so many, after the drying of the dung, many birds will take and then they will create lot of plants, saplings, So just imagine one biggest, very calm elephant is capable of protecting this earth. Whereas we kill elephants. During colonial period, elephants were killed. Millions were killed. Do you know why?
Ivory.
Why ivory and tusk?
They're very costly in that.
In the European houses, a tusk from India, ivory from India is a great comfort. They used for making white buttons in the coat. If you have ivory button coat, you will be called a very rich person. And if you have chair with ivory, okay, and Tamil cinema, and they are very royal family, they will go, all our animal, our elephant, they killed. So imagine we lost many species because of the colonization, correct? So elephants, the economy related to elephant is extremely high. I think Dr. Sanjay knows about how economy and animals were related, okay? So we fail to protect our natural capital. So India is a place, if you don't do anything, you can flourish very well. But unfortunately, we bring lot of machines, lot of companies are here to dig water, and we gave lands in, I went to Uttarakhand, okay, and where many companies are coming and then taking water. We sell it for a very, very minimal amount, but companies take water and then they sell in the airport for 100 rupees, the five-star hotel for 250 rupees, distillery is 20 rupees, correct? But the cost of water is what I say. So we give water and we give soil. Dr. Vandana Shiva wrote a book called Soil Not Oil. That's the title of the book. Soil energy is very important, but we sell soil also, correct? Like plundering of soil. So Soil Not Oil is very important book, where the oil economy is also going down now because we fail to protect this green economy. Next important thing is environmental and socio-economic activities. So we spoil the entire economic, corridor of green economy. So what we have to do, then we have to look for sustainable development, sustainable economic development. What we have to do, we have to promote socially inclusive or environmental friendly activities. Take this campus. This campus must have eco-friendly activities. Correct? Eco clubs should be promoted. Correct? And as Star said, energy should be promoted. What energy? Solar energy is there. Correct? Wind energy is there. So we should not go for fossil fuels. Okay? Fossils, if you go to fossil fuels, it means you are taking the nature away. Without disturbing the fossil fuels, we have to promote what? Solar energy and wind energy. When you go to Green and other places, big fans are there, right? So, and also hydraulic energy. So, alternative energies are very important. So, economy will promote alternative energies. Next one is related to transport. Okay, we have to reduce motorized transport. We must go for non-motorized transport in future, and also we have to take care of the waste management. What is that? We have to reduce, reuse and recycle waste. That will protect our economy. And the benefits of green economy, once you do this, the green economy will result in mitigating climate change. Okay? Climate change is the greatest task for all of us. And also pollution. Okay? We need solution, okay, not pollution, correct? So we have to protect biodiversity, and we have to be very inclusive in enhancing quality of life. Okay, and these things are very important. And so the challenges for all of us is, okay, sir. Suppose just imagine our university is going for green architecture. What we have to do? Challenge is number one. We have to invest some money. Okay, and we have to bring some technology inside. It is challenging, but we have to protect the economy, so we have to do. And we also need lot of, we have to do away the vested interest. In our University of Madras, we want to go for digitizing many things. And there's a challenge, we don't want any change. Okay, I don't want solar because my AC will be switched off. Okay, so we are very much afraid of taking a risk. Correct? So risk we have to take so that we can take care of this Mother Earth. I just want to wind up my talk with some important slogans. So all of you are familiar with the slogan, think globally, act locally. Correct? But I want to give you some unfamiliar slogans to you. Number one, only one earth, care and share. Okay? Next, environment. If it is environment, we have to be take care of three things: protect, preserve, prosper. Next, clean earth, green earth. I request Sendil sir at least to display all these in the board in future. And when night comes, they will at least, we have created consciousness, this thing will be there. Thank you, sir. Next one is, UNO conducted a conference related to planet versus plastics. Planet versus plastics. So plastics, other danger, important danger. For taking, water, I attend many ex-NORA meetings. They never keep this bottled water, and we take water and give lot of pollution. Okay, plastic is another important headache for all of us. Next, reduce, reuse, recycle. Correct? Or save earth, save life. Respect nature, protect the future. Correct? Our planet, our responsibility. Our planet, our responsibility. Or very funny, we can say some slogans. I just want to let you know. Save the earth. It is the only planet with chocolate. If you go to bars, you will not get chocolate. At least for that you save this year. Next, ego now, ego later. நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், ஈகோ தான் இருக்கும். நம்ம ஏன் இந்த மரத்தை வெட்டி எறியணும்னு நிறைய பேர் ஆசைப்படுவாங்க. அதை நம்ம போய்க்கணும். அது மரம் இருந்தா நல்லது. ஏன்னா ட்ரீங்கிறது வந்து ட்ரீ இஸ் எ ஹவுஸ் ஃபார் thousands of birds. நமக்கு மறந்துடுறாங்க. நம்ம ஒரு மரத்தை வெட்டும் போது நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், ஒரு 1000 என்ன சொல்ற பேர்ட்ஸ் நம்ம வந்து ஷெல்டரை வச்சு இருக்கணும்னு அர்த்தம். அதனால ஈகோ நவ், ஈகோ லேட்டர். நெக்ஸ்ட், கிரீன் colon, more than a color, it is a commitment. Like Sendil sir is committing green economy. Why? Because more than a color, he looks at the green as an economy, a commitment. Nature is our treasure. Nature is our treasure. Help save it. Correct? Next one. Less pollution, more solutions. Okay? Less pollution, more solutions. Last one of the points I wind up. Just memorize this. Being less, when you have dustbin, no? Being less, recycle more. நீங்க வந்து நம்ம பேப்பர் என்ன செய்யறோம், அப்படியே கிழிச்சு என்ன பண்றோம், ஒரு டஸ்ட்பின்ல போடுறோம். அவன் என்ன சொல்றான், being less, அதை யூஸ் பண்றதை குறைச்சிட்டு அந்த பேப்பர் வந்து எங்க பண்ணும், ரீசைக்கிள் பண்ற இடத்துல போட்டீங்கன்னா அது இன்னொரு பேப்பர் வரணும். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து திங்க் பண்ணோம். நேச்சர் இஸ் நாட் எ பிளேஸ் டு விசிட். ஊட்டி கொடைக்கானல் போறோம்ல, கேரளா போறோம்ல, கண்ணூர் போறோம், அப்புறம் we also go to many places. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. So it is a home. That every forest is a home. எலிஃபண்ட் வந்து நம்ம ஃபாரஸ்ட் வந்து ஃபாரஸ்டோட வீடு, எலிஃபண்டோட வீடு. நம்மளோட என்ன பண்றோம், we occupy எலிஃபண்ட்டை விரட்டிடுறோம். And we are also not, we are not protecting. Be a part of the solution, not the pollution. Last one, trees. Trees என்ன கேட்டீங்கன்னா, the ultimate air refresher. நம்ம refresher பேசலாம் பண்ணோம்னா டீச்சர்ஸ்லாம். அதெல்லாம் விட என்ன, we have to protect trees. Why? Trees are very important because they are the ultimate air refreshers. Only if you protect trees, you will protect everything, including green economy. Thank you so much. Thanks for the opportunity.
And had his doctorate in agricultural economics from the ICAR. Sir is an associate editor of the Agricultural Economic Research Review, editorial board member of the Indian Journal of Economics and Development, a peer reviewer of several Scopus Indeed journals, and guest editor of Frontier in Sustainable Food System. Sir has completed 7 research projects and currently handling 2 projects sponsored by Indian Council of Social Science Research. Sir has been teaching and guiding MSc and PhD scholars for 8 years in ICAR and currently guiding 4 PhD scholars in Puducherry University. Sir has received a total of 29 awards in regional, national and international levels, including Lal Bahadur Shastri Outstanding Young Scientist Award in Social Science in national level, Himalaya Mentorship Award, Netherlands Fellowship Program grants at